What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to teach you and I'm going to show you how to use my platform where my MQL5 course is. It is a very simple platform, but yeah. First of all, as you can see here, this is the platform. Well, one thing is that this is the testing one because I want to show you some things, but the real one is here. You just put this www.comaku.s. You will have the link in the description, and then you come to the same page in which you have the real courses. So now in this testing place, I'm going to show you how everything works. It's something very simple, but yeah, this is in case you want my course. So yeah, first of all, you have to register, and you have two ways of registering. Maybe you can do it with Google, or maybe you want to do it in the traditional way. So if you want to do that in the traditional way, you just have to click here and then you click on register. So now you have this form and you have to fill it with all the information you want. Your name, email, password. You repeat the password and then you can put here a friend code. This is important. So for example, I already have a profile and I'm going to log in with this. So as you can see here, this is my profile. It doesn't have anything, but you can come here and you can edit. You can change the picture. You can put an Instagram, you can put a Twitter, and you can put a Discord. The Discord is truly very important, but you will see that inside the course. So, okay, you press here on back and you can see that here you have a friend code. The thing of this friend code is that if someone registers using this code, then you will have a subscription of 2 days for free. For any course, you can take the subscription and choose any course, and you can see that course for 2 days. Yeah, something like that. Perfect. So now the next thing that I have to tell you is that how do we get the course? So here you may see something like this in which there is anything, but if you just press here on this, you will have the course. And you can click here on subscribe and it will take you automatically to the page in which you will pay. Or you can click here and see the description of the course. Of course, this is not the course. The course has more than 0 hours and more than one section. So yeah, this is the description and all that, yeah. So you click here on subscribe and now you choose for how long do you want to be subscribed to the course. Of course, the longer, the bigger the discount. So that depends on you. But also, and I don't want to tell you what it is, here in my YouTube channel. So yeah, in my YouTube channel, if you come here to channel, I don't know where, I'm not going to show you where, here, maybe somewhere here, you have a code for a 70% discount. So how do we use this code? You just have to come here, put the code, apply, and then as you can see, the price changed. And apart from this discount, you have the 70% discount. This is just with this code that is only going to work for 24 hours, no more. And yeah, so you put that, now you put all the information and that's it. Okay, so now that you have paid, you will have this screen, the same screen. The thing is that here you can continue with the course. Again, one thing, remember that this course doesn't have only one class. This is a testing place in which I test things. So this is the page in which you see everything in the course. So what you can do is that you can place some notes. So for example, if at this point in the video you are saying something that you like, you can say, okay, this is important. So now you place that note and here you have this. You can edit that, so you can change the text, you can delete it, whatever. The thing is that, for example, if I am at this point and I see this note, what I can do is that I can click here on see and it will take me automatically to the point in which I've written this note. This is very cool in case you want to put something like, I don't know, this is important, something like this. Then you have this to see the sections and how much you have seen of the course. Then you can also put comments. So for example, you can put I do not understand what is said and whatever. So you put the comment and here you can give it a like, you can reply. You can see the replies by clicking here. If it doesn't have any reply, it is not going to show anything. But yeah, That is basically how it works. So for example, the progress, you can see that by watching the, okay, let me put this. Yeah, by watching this, you will see that the progress changes. So for example, if we update now the page, you can see that we have seen a 6%. But what if, I don't know, I want to feel this progress without seeing this video? You just have to come here to the end. You watch the end, that's it. And then you update the page and check this out. 100% completed. That's it. So guys, this is how my page works in case you want my MQL5 course. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, you understood how to do that, all that, the code and that. So yeah, if you are interested in my course, you can go to my page. Remember, you just have to put here www.comacu.es, and here you have the page. This is the English course and this is the Spanish course. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.